Alright, what's up YouTube? We about to get started on this trip to Virginia Beach. We got the Q on the trailer already. About to hook it up to the X5 and hit the road. But first we gotta air this thing up so we don't ruin the carbon.
Chat. Hold on, let me roll the window up. Man, we about 30 minutes away from Virginia Beach, Hamptons Convention Center, and we're gonna have to find somewhere to unload the Q. Man, you can see it back there. But hopefully we can bring home a trophy. And yeah, we was gonna go to Clean Culture, New Jersey, but we were just in New Jersey last weekend, so we figured why not switch it up. And they said I could slide through even though it was sold out, so we gonna slide up there. You know what I mean? Y'all wanna see when we pull up. We about to go up there now. When we pull up, we gonna set up the side mount and get some content rolling, and hopefully we see some cars.
Yes sir, we made it to Virginia Beach. Man, I gotta clean these wheels on the X5. About to go in here and try to get me a ticket real quick, because I definitely don't got one. We got unload, we got the okay, we good. W tow rig. We're gonna be wrapping the X5 this weekend, so that's gonna be in the next video. Chat, about to grow in here, man. Hope this is a good show. We got here early too. Holy smokes. Look at this spot. Sheesh. Sitting in the X5, watching all the cars pull up, a whole bunch of cars. This joint is crazy. This FRS. What's the motor we're gonna put in the kill?
Up next is Reigns Garay, Infinity Q50.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Alright guys, we got the Q all packed up and ready to go. We're about to hit the road. We got a 5-hour drive. About to go and get some food real quick before we head back. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And we brought home another trophy. We're 6 for 6 on the trophies right now. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the content that's coming soon. This week, we're doing the X5. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, we made it back. About to unhook the trailer.